guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 19th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the 0 Stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and it's time now for the 4 Stars Sudoku. Yeah, 4 Stars Sudoku. And number, this will be number 7125. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s, 2 4s, 1 2 3 5s, 1 2 3 4 6s. All right. How about the 7s? 1 7, 2 8, 3 8s, and 3 9s. So the 6s are a majority. Can I start with a 6? Yes. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between. The middle column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6. I cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 1, the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. How about the number 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this row should be there. 4 5, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And now I can continue with the 6, I believe. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6, alright. Okay. How about 5 5, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there, need a 5 here. Well, how about the 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row? So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 8. Yeah. Thinking. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 7 here. 5, 6, 9. 1, 1. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 3, 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2. Well. How about need a 9 here. 2, 7, 6, 8. Need a 8 here. Need a 3 here. Yes, 6 missing numbers in the last row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this big square, so no 3 and 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 and 8 goes in one of the in these 3 boxes. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Okay. 1, 4, 5. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, now only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 1, 4, 5. 4, 4, 4. Well. 9, 6. 1, 2, 3. Yes. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. In this big square, 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 3. We have a 1, the 2, and the 3 in this column. So no 1, 2, and 3 in these 2 boxes. 1, 2, and 3 goes in those 3 boxes. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Need to wait, 4 and 9. Yeah, I need to wait. 5, 5. 8, 8. 4, 4. 4. 1, 1. 1. Come on. 2, 2. Need a 9, 9. 2, 9, and the 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left on the 3 should be there. Three, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 9. And I need a 2. 2, 2. Let me think. 6, 5, 1, 3. No 8. The 8 should be in one of these 2 boxes. The 8. So we have an 8 here. Need 8 there. 8 meters. Come on. 7. 9 and 4. Still thinking. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in the second row. We have a 1 and 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, so 1 digit left in this second row for number 3. 3 and 8. We have 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there, so 2 missing numbers here. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column. The only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now. The 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Okay. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 8 here. Need a 9. 9 here. Need a 2 here. And I need a 4 here. 4, 4. 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 7, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those. 1 and the 2. Here we have a pair. 1 and the 2. Alright. 1, 2, and I need a 4 here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left now in the third row, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So now we have 2 and a 9 in this row. 2 and a 9 are missing. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next on that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 2 goes there. Alright. Now 1 box left in the first column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, sorry, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. How about the 8 then? And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row, so in the row between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for no, 3 missing numbers. Well, this number in this column should be the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Same numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 7. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there, finish in 17 minutes. Well, for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes. Is this a 4 stars? No. For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Is this a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. So let me give this a 2 stars puzzle. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we saw it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.